Hey there, garden lovers! Welcome back to our channel, and today I've got something super exciting for you. If you're wondering what veggies you should plant in June, you're in the right place. Stick around, because these 6 veggies are a must for your garden this month. June is such a fantastic time to get your hands dirty and plant some amazing vegetables. So let's dive right in. First up, we have cucumbers. Cucumbers love the warm soil and long sunny days of June. They're perfect for adding to salads, sandwiches, or even just snacking straight from the garden. Plus, they're super easy to grow. All you need to do is plant the seeds about an inch deep and give them plenty of water. In just a few weeks, you'll have fresh cucumbers ready to pick. Next on our list is lettuce. Lettuce grows fast, and you can keep planting it throughout the summer. It's great for salads and wraps. Just make sure to keep it well watered, especially during those hot June days. Whether you prefer romaine, butterhead, or crisphead, there's a lettuce variety for everyone. Plant them in partial shade to keep them from wilting. Tomatoes are another must-plant in June. They're the stars of any summer garden. Cherry tomatoes, beefsteak, or heirloom, you name it, they thrive in the warm weather. Just make sure to stake them or use a tomato cage to keep them upright. Give them plenty of sun and water, and you'll be enjoying juicy, homegrown tomatoes in no time. Let's not forget about zucchinis. These guys grow fast and are super versatile in the kitchen. You can grill them, bake them, or even use them in desserts.
Plant the seeds directly into the ground and watch them take off.
Zucchinis need a lot of space, so give them room to spread out. You'll be amazed at how quickly they grow. Radishes are perfect for June planting too. They're one of the fastest growing veggies, so you can go from seed to harvest in just a few weeks. They add a nice crunch to salads and are great for pickling. Plant the seeds about ½ an inch deep and make sure to thin them out once they start growing. They don't need much space and can be planted in between other veggies. Last but not least, we have spinach. Spinach loves the cooler weather of early June and grows quickly. It's packed with vitamins and perfect for salads, smoothies, and cooking. Plant the seeds about ½ an inch deep in well-drained soil. Keep them watered, and you'll have fresh spinach in no time. So, there you have it, 6 veggies you must plant in June. Cucumbers, lettuce, tomatoes, zucchinis, radishes, and spinach. They're easy to grow and will keep your garden producing all summer long. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.